What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambro Steve. That's my homeboy Charlie. And we're at the insurance auto auctions because if you watched the previous video, you'll know his M3 competition, which I also featured in another video, which I'll put in the description. By the way, there's the Lambo. Whoop, whoop. Kind of hit a tree. So we're going to show you the aftermath, but it's at the insurance auction, not because it's repairable. So very safe though, by the way. A lot of airbags came out. No one got hurt, just a little concussion. Charlie's been talking slower ever since the accident, but I'm pretty sure it's something he'll work through.
Yeah.
You know, he's like, I'm like, hey, what's your name? And he's like, it's like, it's Charlie, bro. So anyway, he smacked his head on the airbag, but everybody's safe. It's good. But I wanted to come in here and get some video of the car. So we're going inside insurance auto auctions and we're going to check it out. We'll be back. All right, peeps, I'm standing between two tow trucks and the BMW is directly in front of me. You're going to see it for the first time. Just kidding, that's a truck. I couldn't like stop and not see this. Hey, this hit a tree too, Charlie. That's what a tree will do to your truck.
Oh yeah, that's a tree.
I don't think the air intake's working anymore. Or the, whatever they call that.
Oh yeah, you're talking about the radiator?
Coolant, the radiator, yeah. And
looks like this is a Vortex. Nope, F350. Oh, actually this is a Vortex.
Oh wow. On a serious note, they're about to haul out the Beamer and drop it on this gravel, so when it gets here, I'll be back.
So we can just...
Look at this. This guy with the forklift is going to get the BMW. Believe it or not, he's going to go try to pick up my Lambo. I don't know what's going to happen here, but look at this thing. That's an earth mover right there. By God. I think he's about to grab this truck and get rid of it.
No, actually he's going to grab a few things. Probably one of those things.
He probably put like 3 cars on there.
Yeah. Because he's got to probably lift it up and put it on the tow truck. No, I think he's really going to go get the...
Lane, it's a Volvo. Is this Lane? You know who you are, Lane. I just saw a Volvo. I know you sold it to him, buddy. All right, we'll be back when this guy rolls back up with the BMW on the forklift. Okay. Oh, here he is. We were at the wrong door. He came from the other gate. All right, hold on. Look at that. He just picked that sucker up and he's gonna drop it down. Oh my God. Darth M. Wow. Nice. Oh, look at this thing. Crunch. We ran all the way over to the other side because that's where he went, and he went around and came back. Hey, you might want to take this off for your next car.
This is actually going to go in.
We need to strip this thing. Oh, look, all the pieces are in the truck. Oh, floor mats.
That's definitely mine.
Those are his WeatherTech.
Yeah, so expensive. Wow, they put everything in the truck, huh?
So guys, this is what a BMW M3 competition looks like after being wrecked. That's the coffee all over there. All the drape airbag came down. The foot airbag came down. Look, this is all busted. I don't know where does that even go. I don't even know how that went. That's crazy. I mean, it's just so nasty. Hey, pop the hood.
That thing is jammed in there.
Dude, I want to see the engine.
Wait, the motor's still safe. They're going to sell that thing for a grip. The motor's still good, bro. You see it on that side better. You can see the S55 motor. It's still good. I don't think it's shifting at all.
Oh my God.
Yes.
This thing is jacked, bro. Hey, you better get those off.
You got it for me.
Those are my gift to Charlie. They were on there for a day. I'm bad luck.
Literally a week.
Oh my God. Hey, look. It's been detailed, people. Don't worry. They went ahead and detailed it.
They're gonna obviously sell this car for, what do you think? At the auction house.
I don't know. What does it retail for? What do you guys think? What does this car even retail for? It's a 2017 M3 competition. Hey, your trunk on your rental car popped open. It's an M3 cup. His rental car literally just under a blinking and the back popped up. So M3 competition. I don't know what it sold for new, but what do you guys think this thing will sell for at the auction? And I'll try to put it in the comments when I post this, because hopefully it'll be sold by then. But anyway, this is it. This is what happens. Now, here's what's cool. Everyone's safe. No one got hurt real bad. Just like I said, Charlie's a little slower right now. But what's next? I'm thinking R8, maybe Porsche 911, maybe another M3. What do you think, Charlie?
Take a poll.
Oh, what should Charlie buy? Should he get another M3 competition? Should he get a Gallardo? Should he get an R8? Should he get a 911 Turbo? What do you think? Drop a comment. Let me know. I'm gonna get some more video of just kind of rolling around this car, so I'll be back. Okay, folks, here we are. The headlight, I think we can salvage. Charlie, I think we can sell this. It's in good shape. It's in real good shape. You know, maybe we should buy this thing back from the insurance and make it a project car. I mean, we know who drove it. He took good care of it. All the parts are in the trunk that we could probably reuse some of them. So I don't know, but
Goon Squad.
maybe Goon Squad can come get it and do something with it. But saying is, Jack, I'll tell you what, that headlight that was on the other side, it's actually in pretty good shape. So, all right, guys. So the poll's up. Just let me know what you think Charlie should buy, and I'll keep you in the loop on what's happening. But today's Friday. It's a little cold and gloomy. And it's gloomy, of course, because the M3's down. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Later.
Okay.